after.
I like how you were. He talked to the coaches a few times.
Begged the coaches, please keep, and it worked out for
Yes.
both of them, didn't it?
All right.
Yeah.
Turning to your forecast, Kevin and Allison have been working together back there trying to figure out what's going to happen tonight, the timing of this. How bad do you think things could get?
Well, it's certainly not something that we want to see tonight, because here we go again, right? The threat for severe weather, that means thunderstorms that could have high winds that could increase power outages as crews are getting those numbers down. And then obviously it goes without saying, more flooding. We've had a huge problem with that this summer, and unfortunately I think we could have another run-in tonight with some significant flooding in parts of the tri-state. So let's talk about what's happening right now. You may have noticed skies getting dark outside, and that's because we literally have some thunderstorms starting to go up right over our heads this evening. In fact, on the east side, we've got some big downpours that have blown up suddenly just east of Silverton, out towards Milford, and over there towards Newtown. These downpours, they're not producing any lightning yet, but I suspect that's probably not far behind. Now, what we've really been keeping an eye on is actually over here in central Indiana, and you can see where they have a severe thunderstorm watch that's currently in effect, and we've got some severe storms roaming out here. Let's keep an eye on this complex. It now seems to be making a little bit of a more sharp southerly turn, but look at all this thunderstorm activity that's erupted out ahead of it. I think the overall trend here as we go into the evening hours, especially after about 6 or so, is to see the likelihood of widespread showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be severe and some of which will also be capable of producing heavy rainfall. It's going to turn stormy as the evening goes on and probably continue through the night tonight. You can see part of the area is at least under a slight risk for severe storms, but then we've got about half of the tri-state under a moderate risk for flooding tonight. That's why we're concerned. And in addition, it's almost in the exact same areas that we saw it just less than 24 hours ago. So that's why we've got this heightened concern for the potential of flooding heading into the overnight hours. And I will mention that we kind of lucked out here in the Cincinnati metro a couple of nights ago. I'm a little more concerned this go around. It could be more into some urban areas. So that is something to watch for overnight. Excessive rains, 2 to 4 inches of rain, a good bet for folks out there. And wherever an axis of heavier rain sets up eventually, there'll probably be some higher amounts. So a real problem overnight tonight. I'm going to show you futurecasts just to give you an idea of how this sets up. And you can see as we go through the evening, watch what happens later on tonight. Storms drop through. They're going to come through here. And obviously it will be stormy through the morning tomorrow. So with multiple rounds of storms training over the same areas, that's why we are concerned tonight specifically. All right, outside right now, skies certainly getting dark. There's that big downpour on the east side of town. We're currently at 86 degrees. So plenty warm, plenty humid. Look at that dew point at 74. So the air is certainly juiced up for storms. Right now, 90 in Versailles, 90 in Walton. So there's plenty of heat and humidity to fire up stuff here over the next couple of hours. And I think it turns stormy. So it's another weather alert night with storms, downpours, flooding, and severe concerns outside. 72 tomorrow, downpours and storms, especially I think in the morning is pretty stormy. We may see kind of the coverage decrease in the afternoon, but even in the afternoon, there will still be the threat for scattered storms around the area. All right, heading into the weekend, there's still a chance for a pop-up storm on Saturday, but the theme for the weekend is drier and uncomfortably hot and humid. I mean, temperatures over the weekend will be near 90, and heat indices will likely be somewhere around 100, could even be low 100s, because we'll have so much humidity in the air. So hopefully those power numbers, outage numbers, don't go any higher and continue to drop going into the weekend. But unfortunately, Mike and Sheree, looks like another rough night of weather for the tri-state.
All right, Kevin, thanks for the warning. Meanwhile, the Red Cross is now limiting blood supply.